Are you looking for a creative way to showcase your products or services? Well, the CTA with connected background widget from WDesignKit's free plan will help you in that. And there's a stylish twist. Instead of just a static button, this widget lets you create multiple CTA sections with visually connected backgrounds. And the best part, when you hover over any section, the info elegantly appears while the background seamlessly changes, adding a sleek interactive vibe to your site. So, whether you are highlighting product features, food items, clothing collections, or anything else, this widget gives you plenty of room for creativity. Now, let's quickly dive in and see how to set it up onto a WordPress site. The widget we will be using here is offered by WDesignKit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now, let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor. And we will also need WDesignKit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, WDesignKit. Simply click on Install Now. Then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance. And here, as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WDesignKit. Simply come here and click on WDesignKit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search CTA. Next, since we are making use of the Elementor page builder in this tutorial, so let's select it from under here, and the moment we will do that, here we can see the widget we want. The name is CTA with Connect Background. Now simply move ahead and download it by clicking on this icon. After that, let's also make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. So here we are inside the Elementor editor, and as you can see, here's our basic page design where I have already imported the widget. If you want to do the same, simply head over to the widgets panel, search for CTA, and once you find it, quickly drag and drop it into the workspace. For now, I'll select the widget from the navigator, and under the content tab in here, you will see its customization option. Now, let's go through each of these one by one. Upon opening the content drop-down, you can notice there are three main options that are Layout, Vertical on Mobile, and Slides. First, let's talk about Layout. As you can see, this option lets you arrange the connected background sections either vertically or horizontally. We will keep it on horizontal only for now. Moving on, we have this Vertical on Mobile option. By enabling this toggle, you are ensuring that the connected layout automatically switches to a vertical format while viewed on mobile devices. Moving on, let's now talk about Slides. Right here, you can see there are three item boxes which represent each of these sections within the layout. I'll open the first item box, and as visible, there are four sub options here. First one is Title, using which you can add your heading. Then Description to add supporting text, and next up we have Image, which is there to let you display a visual with ease. And lastly, also do not forget to make use of these button info along with a link option, through which you will be able to redirect users when they click on the button. Now, you saw how pretty straightforward these options were. So, let's quickly enter the details in their respective fields and see how it looks. Alright, just to show you, I've added a car image, some text info, and a CTA button text with a link here. Now, as I hover over the respective section, you can see the image smoothly appear with the info sliding up, giving it that sleek and interactive feel. So, that was all about just one section. Moving ahead, just a reminder that there are still two more sections left to customize. That only means one thing, it's time to move ahead, open their respective boxes, and repeat the same process I just did for the first section. And there you go. Our CTA with a connected background is ready to go live. And oh, before we wrap up, let me also quickly show you this add item button right here, through which you can easily add as many sections as you want to display it in this design. Plus, if you also want to fine-tune the design furthermore, head over to the Style and Advanced tabs, from where you will be able to tweak each and every key detail to match your site's aesthetics. Very cool. Saying that, it's time now to hit update and take our final look at the result. Now, don't forget to explore other amazing features WDesignKit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget builder, using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and bricks. Using WDesignKit page builder converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WDesignKit also comes with its cloud workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WDesignKit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. So that was it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now, if you are curious, be sure to check out our next video, where I will show you how you can make your website's About Us page stand out by showcasing your team with eye-catching animations and clickable social links using the Flip Team listing widget from WDesignKit. Also, before you go anywhere, drop a like, subscribe to our channel with the bell icon turned on so you don't miss any of such amazing videos that we keep on adding inside our WDesignKit playlist every week. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and exploring.